The air-conditioned coffin is a funeral mini-morgue unit. It is portable and cooler. It is made of stainless, unbreakable, and light materials. It is fully insulated thanks to its high thermal insulation. It provides long-term cooling and energy saving with little energy. It has a static cooling system that can fully cool at any ambient temperature and can cool the body homogeneously. On the cover, there is a heat-insulated and unbreakable window providing the appearance of the funeral. It has specially designed folding stainless steel handles and unbreakable feet. Our product is manufactured in TS/EN 9001 quality standards and offered to our valuable customers.